Yo, what's up, y'all? In honor of getting school out tomorrow because of Hurricane Ian, I'm making a dedicated riding video to Hurricane Ian. Shout out to that dude, and I appreciate you for the day off school and all. And we have fall break next week, so we got out early. So thank you, Ian. That's probably what I'm gonna title this video. So we're gonna see how bad this thing really is gonna be. It's just kind of windy. It ain't even rained yet or nothing. But as you can see on the cotton, the trees just moving around. It ain't too bad. It's a little cold. But at the end of the day, shout out to Ian. Dub's still out here. They partying too. Oh my god, we should have gone dub hunting for Hurricane Ian. Sunflowers don't even care. They just doing their thing. Look at that dub. Bang! Bang! All of them are dead if I had a shotgun. So we're gonna take a rapid through. Oh, look at the way he's dancing in the wind. I would have murdered him right there when he started gliding. I could kill the limit in like 10 minutes out here if we were actually hunting and they were like this. Look at the cotton, as I was saying, it's like dancing. All them doves. I'm still congested and kind of snuffling, but I'm gonna plug it out. Still ain't got no snorkel mount. I gotta get ordering it soon. I'm probably order it this afternoon. I just ain't thought about it. Hope it rains pretty good, like while I'm asleep, not in the daytime, so I can still go outside. But like while I'm asleep, I hope we get like 30, not 30, probably like 10 inches of rain. Not even 10, probably just 2 to 3, so the creek will be pretty full. And we can test the 32s out on water. We still ain't really got to do that yet. Let's ride back to the creek. Hold up, I need some drinks so I won't be coughing. As you can see, I done drunk all the Mountain Dew, and it's just a can. But I don't litter, because littering's not cool, and that hurts the environment and stuff. And it'll make our kids like not have a good future if we do that. So if you want to have kids one day, don't litter. It's karma, and God is not gonna like that. But like I said, man, shout out to Ian. I'm sleeping in tomorrow. Hopefully when I wake up, I'll be well. I won't be doing all this that grunt, bro. I'm not tired of coughing. Oh man, I'm about out of gas at the house and this thing's flashing like it needs gas. Just suck it up for the rest of the video, alright? Oh, that was high-key disappointing. Oh, never mind, it's still kind of decent mud. I want to see how dry this over here is. If I run out of gas, I'm going to rage quit for real. I'm going to rage quit real life. Oh yeah, it's definitely still pretty muddy. And over there. Look over here, I just know this is bad. I ain't even... You gotta look at it long and you can tell it's bad. Yeah, look at it. Oh no! I should not have drove into this. For real though. We might be screwed here, y'all. I'm gonna try and stay out the ruts and ride the sidewall. Alright, that's what we did. And it worked pretty good. I didn't even go through the middle. Now the rut's gonna be in the middle too, but oh well. The trees ain't even that windy over here. Probably because most of them don't even got leaves no more. Oh, one tree fell. Hold up. I ain't trying to bust my fender on that. Freak. And of course, this little limb right here is going to bully my 32s. Oh, my front plastics. Oh no, we're in a bad spot here. Till that thing can get on. Oh, my floorboard. I hate you, freaking tree. Oh dang, that's all I had to do the whole time. Oh, now I'm in the hole. Well, that ain't good. My good thing, my Honda's a beast and it was no match. I need to make sure the front of this joker's alright. Alright, it's okay. Dang, look at them tires in the front, bro. They're all covered up in mud. Oh, I need to wash this thing. Might just leave it out and see what the hurricane does to wash it. No, I'm just kidding. I don't want it to die. I don't know how y'all reacting to Hurricane Ian, but I'm sorry for all the people out there that like homes were lost and were hurt from the hurricane, but I'm treating this joker like a party because I ain't got school and all, and it ain't gonna be that bad where I live. But if you lost your house in Hurricane Ian, I'm sorry, and I'm gonna put a disclaimer at the front of the video for the people that were hurt by it, so I don't hurt nobody's feelings. Because I'm gonna be thoughtful today, you know. Woke up in a good mood, other than I felt like I was dying. I couldn't breathe good because I'm sick, but I was still in a pretty good mood. We had school today though, that did so. Oh, oh, is that a worm? It is. Get off of me, buddy. I don't know who he thought he was, or what he thought he was doing. Oh, I done told y'all I don't litter. I've never littered off camera or anything. I don't just put on this act for the camera. No joke. I don't know who threw that Mountain Dew can right there out. It probably was me, but no, I'm just kidding. I don't litter. Alright, I gotta go to the house before my four-wheeler runs out of gas, y'all. .32's gizzle gas. No cap. This thing on 32s, it burns so much more gas than it did on 28s. And even on the 28s, you could tell it burned gas faster than it did on stocks. Like a tank of gas used to last about a week of riding every day on stocks. But now, like, just a week of making videos, not even riding every day, takes a tank of gas. God's really trying to get me to litter. This thing keeps blowing out my hand. Ugh. Alright. Attempt number 2 at going to the house. I'm gonna hold it. Oh, my clutches sound like they're having fun. I'm gonna shift down. Oh, hopefully I don't roll. That's up. Alright, we're good. I fell off the four-wheeler, not paying attention. Well, y'all, I hope y'all enjoyed. If you did, leave a like and subscribe. Prayers out to the people hurt by the hurricane. Peace.